Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Antony Vijay. In this video, we will be going to see about open addressing from collision resolution technique. So first of all, we will be going to see about the classification of open addressing. The open addressing is also called as closed hashing. It is divided into four different types. The first one is linear probing. The second one is quadratic probing. And the third one is double hashing, and finally rehashing. So here we will be going to see about linear probing first. So let's have a look about introduction part of open addressing. Actually, this particular technique is mainly used for handling the collision, and in this the main target is we are going to find the empty slot, and we are fixing the particular key to the empty slots, so that the size of the hash table must be greater than or equal to the number of keys in the table. In this approach, we will be having three different operations. The first one is insert operation, and the second one is search operation, and the third one is delete operation. In the insert operation, it will keep on probing the process until a empty slot found. Once the empty slot is found, we are inserting the key value. Okay. The second operation is search operation. So search operation is like again it will keep on probing. The particular slot's key should not equal to the k value, that is k means key. Okay, or we can go for empty slot. Okay, and the third operation is delete operation. So a delete operation is somewhat different and so interesting. In this we can simply, if you delete a particular key, it may fail. So the slots of the deleted key may marked as a deleted. The insert can insert an item in a deleted slot, but the search does not stop at the deleted slot. So now I am going to explain about linear probing. In the linear probing, the hash table is searched sequentially, that starts from the original location of the hash table. In case if the location is already occupied by some other key, then we go for next location. So that process is called rehashing. So the particular formula for rehashing is n plus 1 modulo table size. So let's have a look about the logic of linear probing. So if slot hash of x modulo s is full, then we have to try hash of x plus 1 modulo s. In case hash of x plus 1 modulo s is also full, then we try hash of x plus 2 modulo s. In case if hash of x plus 2 modulo s is also full, then we try to hash of x plus 3 modulo s. So this particular iteration will be repeated until we are finding the empty slot. Then we are inserting that particular key into the hash table. This is called a linear probing. So linear probing means we keep on searching for a empty slot to store the key into the hash table. This is the process. I just want to explain this particular logic with the help of example. Here I am taking 5 values, and the key function is key mod 5. So I am going to apply one by one. So first I am taking the key is 50. So 50 is applied to mod 5. So key value is 50. 50 mod 5. So the answer is what? 0. So initially the hash table is empty. Now I am going to replace 50. Okay. So the index we are getting is 0. So it is placed at index 0. So again we go for 70. 70 is applied to the hash function. Okay. So 70 modulo 5. 70 modulo 5. Again it is 0. So the 0 is already occupied. 0 is already occupied by 50. So the 0 is not available for 70. So what we have to do? We have to apply for linear probing. So we have to find the next available location. So see the step 3. The next key is 70. Okay, so which is mapped to slot 0. That is 70 modulo 5 equal to 0. But 50 is already at slot 0. So we have to find the next empty slot. So next empty slot available is 1 only. So after 0, 1 only the next index. So we are simply placing the 70 in the index 1. Okay, this is the process. Likewise, we have to repeat with the third one. Third one is what? 76. Again, we are applying 76 modulo 5. Okay, so the remainder is 1. See, the remainder is 1 means what? This is called the index value. Index 1 is already placed with 70. So what I want to do? I want to find the next location for 76. The next available free location is index 2. So that I can directly place 76 at the index 2. Okay, this is the process. Next, I am taking the fourth element 85. So 85 modulo 5. So it is also 0. But 0 is already filled with 50. It is 70 filled with 1. 76 filled with 2. So that there is no empty slots available at the index 0. So that we are simply linearly accessing the empty slots. Finally, we found that the index 3 is available, so that we can simply place 85 at the index third position. Okay. So after that, the last key is 93. So 93 modulo 5, the remainder is what? 3. So right now only we have inserted 85 there. So we have to place 93. The only one index is remaining, that is index 4. So that particular area is filled with 93. So in this way we are linearly probing. Okay, probing means we keep on searching the empty slots to fill the particular key into the hash table. So this is called linear probing. Okay.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you very much for watching.